What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Well, Oliver today, working on our cars or whatever. Today's agenda, pretty much, I'm just gonna be figuring out my oil lines for the turbo setup, and Oliver is just gonna be cleaning his car because he hasn't cleaned his car in like ever since we painted it. Oh, last year. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. I actually just got the bumper for my car. The previous owner just gave it to me, freshly painted. Gonna mock that up, figuring out some wiring on that, and then I'm really gonna start the turbo oil lines when my manifold comes in. Should come in the mail today, hopefully. So once that gets here, then I'm gonna start on that. So update you guys in a bit. So this is what the bumper's looking like on the car. Only problem I have is right here. Yo, you guys see my hair? It's going crazy right now, but there's a big gap right here, and I'm not sure why. So I'm gonna have to figure that out once I finally mount it. But besides that, looks good. Well, let me get a better angle of this for you guys. Looks way better. Tag just looks so much more complete now. But yeah, I'm happy with how that came out. Looks really nice. Sick. So yeah, I mean, you can kind of see the gap over here at this side of the bumper too. I'm not sure why it's like that. I guess like I said, I just need to mount it better and see how it comes. But the lip looks really good. Paint is fantastic. It's a little dusty right now, but don't mind that. Okay, time for another update. So pretty much what I've been working on is getting the drain fitting on here. As you can see, I kind of have to drill the holes more inwards because I got this kit from Amazon, so it was universal. So it didn't really fit the turbo too well, but drilled it out, got it there. That's the only thing that needed modification. The rest of the lines and stuff I can do once the manifold comes in. Right now, we're about to put some stickers on Oliver's car because he's a racer. He's sponsored by Mishimoto. And we also got to put the So Scare sticker on. Yo, So Scare, if you're watching this, you can come sponsor me too. My car's cooler than Oliver's. So Scare. All right, so we're gonna do that now. Yeah, sponsored by Mishimoto. Yeah. That looks nice though. It's gonna look cool when there's just a bunch of stuff coming down. Yeah, this camera quality go crazy.
They did send me an email about send the part numbers and the shit you want.
No way.
We'll see what we can do.
That's tough.
And now I'll get
Hey bro, discount is discount.
I did the radiator fans, and the turbo blanket.
Tough. Just cleaning up the windshield now to put the So Scare banner on. About to do that. Okay, his banner is on now. Yo, don't ever have him do one of your banners if you need help. He sucks. He's not good at this.
It was windy.
He absolutely just massacred the poor banner for oh my god, I'm not even gonna talk about it. Yeah, right now all I'm doing is just waiting for my manifold to come in, waiting on UPS. Once that comes in, I can continue working on the lines. So I'll see you guys then. Yo, welcome back to the vlog. Yo, we driving to Tri-State right now because I gotta go get a steel bung because mine is aluminum. So yeah, Yeah, we in the RSX right now. I'm whipping this bitch, teaching Oliver how to drive.
I know how to drive
Yo,
this car.
let me do a quick little pull for y'all.
You didn't even shift it at 9, bro.
I don't want to.
Why not? I shifted at 9 all the time.
Yo, that's just gonna cavitate.
Yo, you know how to go into 5th, bro?
Cavitate. Alright. Anyway, see y'all when we get home. Yo, welcome back, everyone. We have acquired the Vibrant Bung. Got that shit for $10. I don't know why. That just sounds like astonishing to me. Because I expected it to be like $20-something. Because Vibrant be expensive, but you know, I'm cool with that. $10. We're on the way home now. Oliver's back driving because I don't feel like it. We just ate Stewart's. Shit was absolutely busting. If you around the Rawway area, right next to the TSM, you gotta come eat here. Shit's so good and it's not even expensive. I think both our shit was only $12. So yeah, cheap. See y'all when we get back. Yo, welcome back for another update. What time was the last time we updated everyone?
Man, I don't know.
It's been a couple hours. UPS took forever to deliver the manifold today, but it is here. It's right in front of me. About to unbox it for you guys. Super excited. So get right to it. All right, so this is the Rev 9 manifold. This is like the budget manifold, I guess you could say. It was only what, $495 after tax, which is expensive, especially compared to like a log manifold. But you know, we run sidewinders because fuck you, Julio. But yeah, let's unbox it. It's coming out. Ooh. All right, so there she is. Comes with gaskets,
And
hardware.
bolts.
That's sick.
That's pretty good.
That's cool. So put that right there. And I have to take out the actual manifold. There she is. She is ugly.
So ugly.
She is ugly. But there she is in all the glory. I mean, it's nothing crazy, of course. It's the budget one, of like I said before, but yeah, she looks good. Wells look pretty nice, not gonna lie. Nice color there.
That wastegate. Yeah, we definitely painting this house.
Yeah. So pretty much what I was talking to Oliver about yesterday or last night, yeah. Whether or not I'm gonna wrap it or paint it. Wrap it in heat wrap, of course, because you know I've seen a lot of people run sidewinders and they either don't wrap it or wrap it, and like I don't know.
But then again, they got quality manifolds.
Yeah, but I don't know. So probably gonna paint this just because you know I don't like the way the metal looks. Metal's kind of ugly, but
Hella scratch it. But them welds though.
welds are nice.
Let's hope these shits don't crack.
So yeah, so right now I'm pretty much gonna just mock this up onto the motor right there, just so then we can mock up the turbo and then get the lines all situated. So see you guys when I start doing that. That's what the sidewinder is looking like on the motor. We mocked up the turbo, but we need to clock it, so Oliver's getting that loose right now. And then I'm gonna get the turbo bolted on and then show you guys what it looks like after that. Yo, Julio here. Yo, Julio ugly.
I know.
But yo, this is it pretty much. Only thing I haven't done yet is the drain, because basically y'all can see right there the fittings there, but we need a 90 degree. We focus. Yeah, we need a 90 degree to come off from there. I only have 45 degrees, so it like hits right into the trans. But yeah, once we're probably gonna pick that up tomorrow. Probably put it in another video, or I don't know. I'll see. But This is the feed line right here. It's coming off from the adapter from K-Tune. Comes right up, goes into a nice vibrant fitting right there, and that's pretty much it. This header, you know, it looked kind of ugly at first, but you know, it just hits different when it's on the motor.
That's a header?
Oh, he got me. It's a manifold.
Turbo manifold.
But yeah, I need to get longer studs for this because it's barely in. I need to get studs that go into the head because I can't get a normal bolt into there, into that hole right there.
Just get a smaller bolt. It's the same thread pitch.
Thanks, Oliver. But yeah, I also put the half shaft in, if you guys will be able to tell from that last clip. It wasn't there, but now it is. So the only slight issue I have with this manifold, I'm not sure if all manifolds are like this, but the wastegate is just shooting straight down.
Some have them right here, some
Yeah.
have them in the front.
Yeah, so like you said, it's in different positions than other ones, but this one, it's literally coming straight down. And once I get the wastegate, I'm gonna have to see what happens to the heater hoses. I keep on telling Oliver I want to delete heat, but he keeps on telling me no. But like, I don't, boy, I'll bundle up in the winter. I don't care.
I guess.
My bad, pimp.
But yeah, so that's there.
You
That's
could just cut this hose short and then run a longer rubber hose.
I could, but this is all problems for when, you know, it's inside of the car, which I'm just waiting for the mounts to come back. Sorry, I can't speak English, but yeah, let me give you guys a nice front view of it again.
Yo,
Looks good.
It's idling, bro.
Yo, he stays spinning the turbo with no oil.
But
He stayed
there it
doing
is.
that.
I'm happy with how it turned out. Looks good. I'm in love.
Yo,
I'm
you got
excited.
RBC.
Where's your boot? Where's your boot, bro?
I need to buy a boot. Yeah, I'm just getting judged. All right.
Come on, bro.
What RBC?
What kind of motor is
Okay.
this?
All right. Anyways. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just to recap what was done today. We just worked on Oliver's car a little bit. Put my front bumper on the tag. Then we got the bung from Tri-State. It's just sitting there. Didn't get it welded on yet. And then put the manifold, turbo, and the feed line in. So, you know, a little productive, not too crazy. But, you know, gonna pick it back up tomorrow and continue getting this build along. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.